You're always gonna have a physician that's gonna push back. A little or a lot, just kind of depends. But how do you deal with that? And how do you empower your staff to deal with that? You know, it's mutual respect to openly discuss something in a neutral tone. You know, you don't want to come in defensive because then you're going to bring that physician to be defensive as well. But just asking about a topic. I always like to approach it as, Doc, tell me why you're thinking it needs to be this way, because maybe I don't know. Maybe it's something I need to learn. But when they share their point of view as to why they're insisting on something, it allows me to understand, okay, that's where he's coming from. So let me talk about where I'm coming from, and then we can meet in the middle, treating them like a human so that they can treat you like a human, and you guys can come together as a team. You know, you should never be scared to talk to a provider, although it is intimidating. Practicing and understanding how to talk to a doctor is just it's gonna go a long way.